the channel. In today's video, we're going to be reverting my straight hair back to curly. So if you guys are interested in seeing that process, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to start off by taking off my scrunchie out of my hair. Right? So yeah guys, like I was saying, I'm going to be freeing my hair from the scrunchie and like massaging my scalp. As you can see, my hair is getting back to its normal state. As you can see, my hair is getting back, you know, to curly. It's tired being straight, it's going wavy. So yeah. When I start, I get myself a towel. So let me go get a towel. Now I grab a towel and I'm just tying it around my neck. Yeah. Okay. So if you guys didn't check out my previous video, I made a mask there. And it was made out of homemade products. If you guys are interested in watching that, make sure you watch that. Because I'm going to be using that mask to revert my hair. And this is how it looks. And I know it's cold because I put it in the refrigerator. It's cold. So I'm just going to massage it onto my hair. So I'm going to use the whole thing on my head. And you can use any mask for your hair, but if you want to use a homemade mask, this has a lot of, you know, extra on it. But yeah.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be
I'm going to try to use the whole thing. So I'm just going to put this mask in random spots, especially in the middle. Woo!
focused. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your heart and temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your own. I'll be your inspiration.
So guys, I put a bag over my head, and on top of the bag I put a microfiber towel after the bag so that it can compress the hair and make it more warmer, and let that mask just sit there for like 30 minutes.
On your own.
Once I sit there for 30 minutes, I decide to go wash it in the shower, and I'm gonna show you the process of what I do to, you know, wash my hair and get it back to curly without damaging it. Everything will be linked in the description box down below, everything that I used. So yeah guys, check that out. So yeah guys, you see me shampoo my hair, condition it, and add more stuff in the shower for my hair to turn back curly. I added a little bit of treatment inside of it. For the treatment, I used the Shea Moisture. So I'm going to follow along with that and use the Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. I'm also going to pair it up with another leave-in conditioner. It's by Marc Anthony, True Professional Leave-In Conditioner. Now this is my first time using this conditioner, so I don't know about it, but we'll see. So yeah, let me just, put the Shea Moisture. So yeah guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also comment in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.